Welcome to my channel Learn with Fun. So today I am going to teach you uses of has, have and had. So first we will know about the concept of has or where we use has. Okay, has. So we use has when we talk about one thing, one person in the present tense. Okay, हम लोग हैज़ का यूज़ वहाँ करते हैं जहाँ एक पर्सन हो, एक थिंग हो, लेकिन वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में हो, प्रेजेंट में हो, जो अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल. ओके, हियर इज अ सिंगल बॉय एंड ही हैज balloons and his name is Rahul. Okay, so we will write Rahul has balloons. Okay, here is a single cat. Okay, so we will use has. Okay, so the cat has a tail. Okay, cat has a tail. Here is a single cat, that's why we use has. So we use has with singular pronoun he, she, it, and singular nouns. Okay, singular noun means one person, one animal, and one thing. So children, hope you understand where we use has. We use has when we talk about one person, one animal and one thing in present tense, neither future or nor past. We talk about present tense. Okay, now we will learn about have, where we use have. We use have when we talk about more than one person, more than one animal and more than one thing, etc. Okay, so we use have with plural pronouns they, we, you and I. Okay, we use have with they, we, you, I. Okay, now let's see some example to understand where we use have. Okay, she is a girl and she says I have a ball and they says they have balls. Okay, remember that when we talk about ourselves we use have. Okay, I have a ball, I have a boots, I have a pen, I have a marker. Okay, in any case when we talk about ourselves we use have. Okay, so here are more than one person, so that's why I use have. Okay, they have balls, anything, they have umbrella, they have books. Okay, anything, whatever you say. Okay, next. So you dash an umbrella. So tell me children, what we will fill here. हम लोग यहाँ क्या भरेंगे? As we know that we use have with they, we, you and I. So here is you. So we will use here have. You have an umbrella. Okay. Next, B. We dash chocolates. So we have chocolates. Okay. Here is more than one person. Okay. That's why we use have. Okay, next we will know about uses of had or where we use had. We use had when we talk about both singular and plural noun or pronouns in past tense. Okay, सो चिल्ड्रन, हम लोग हैड वहाँ यूज करेंगे जहाँ चीजें हो चुकी हैं, है ना, कुछ मतलब खत्म हो गया है, पास्ट में हो गया है, प्रेजेंट में नहीं, पास्ट में हो चुका है. सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल. दिस इज अ बॉय. द बॉय, ही हैड अ कार. ओके, इसके पास एक कार थी, अब नहीं है, इसके पास एक कार थी. ही हैड अ कार. Okay, so we will write here he had a car. Okay, then they had pencils. So we will write here they had pencils. Okay, they had pencils. यहाँ हम लोग, इनके पास पेंसिल था, अब नहीं है. So we use they had pencils. Remember that we use had with plural pronoun and singular pronoun both in past tense. Okay, let's see some more example. Okay, so children, let's recap from the beginning where we use has, where we use have, and where we use had. Okay, then we will solve the question. Okay, so first is had. So has we will use with he, she, it, and any name in the present tense. Okay, then have is used with I, we, they, you in present tense. Okay, and had we will use singular and plural pronouns both. Okay, he, she, it, name, which is singular pronouns, I, we, they, you, which is plural pronouns. Okay children, hope you understand. Let's solve some question. Okay, so let's fill the blanks. Okay, so first is Mary dash a book. इन प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट में भरना है ना. सो जब प्रेजेंट रहेगा तो सो वी विल यूज हैज. ओके, सो मेरी हैज अ बुक. मेरी के पास एक बुक है. नेक्स्ट आई डैश बलून्स इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो वी विल fill here have. Okay, so I have balloons. Okay, next he dash a car, past tense. Who tell me what we will fill here? Here past tense, so we will fill here had. Okay, he had a car. उसके पास कार थी, अब नहीं है ना. नेक्स्ट we dash pencil in present tense. present tense मतलब अभी है उसके पास. so here we fill we have pencils. Okay, then she dash a cat in present tense. So we will fill here has. Okay, next they dash a pet dog in past tense. So we will fill here had. they had a dog. उनके पास एक डॉग था, अब नहीं है. नेक्स्ट डू यू डैश बनानास. क्या तुम्हारे पास बनाना है, लेकिन किस में, पास्ट टेंस. हम किसी से पूछ रहे थे क्या तुम्हारे पास बनाना थे. सो वी विल यूज हैड. Okay children, hope you understand where we use has, where we use have, and where we use had. Hope you understand. Okay children, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.